Palantir stock news, new analyst price predictions, new contract, and more NHS contract news. Hey there, fellow investors and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube channel. We are examining 3 articles regarding Palantir Technologies and its stock, PLTR. The initial article discusses the surge in PLTR stock following Palantir's successful bid for a significant contract involving Army AI and ML. If you're up to date on Palantir Technologies, you likely already know about this contract win. In the next article, we'll delve deeper into the implications of this contract for the company's future share price, which is anticipated to be even more substantial than initially thought. Following that, we'll conclude the video by discussing an analyst who accurately predicted a recent drop in Palantir's stock and has since revealed a new price target. We'll be scrutinizing this analyst's credibility and assessing where the future stock price of the company might be heading, based on upcoming catalysts. For additional news updates on Palantir Technologies, please take a moment to engage with the content by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Now, let's get right into today's stories. To start, let's focus on Palantir's recent rise in overall share price due to the newly secured contract. Palantir's stock saw an approximately 6% increase after securing a $250 million contract lasting 3 years, centered around artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. This contract pertains to the U.S. Army, including its special forces and other segments. Palantir has been closely collaborating with the United States Army on AI models since 2018, emphasizing government contracts throughout its existence, spanning over 2 decades. The current trading price for PLTR stock is around $18.08, but there's potential for it to go even higher. I'll quote directly from an article that eloquently explains why investors might anticipate a further surge in the share price. It states, "While many investors initially turned to Palantir for AI, this year they may find themselves staying for its military contracts. This shift in focus comes in the wake of recent events, such as the conflict between Hamas and Israel, and the subsequent response. Despite criticism of Israel's reliance on technology following the attack, it's unlikely to waver, as is the case for the U.S. military's dependence on technology." In light of Palantir Technologies securing this significant contract, combined with ongoing geopolitical developments, share prices in the United States are being affected. This is why military contractors like Palantir Technologies, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, General Dynamics, and others are witnessing an uptick in their share prices. Investing in a government contractor ETF or any of these mentioned companies may be opportune at this time to capitalize on the surge in share prices. Palantir has diligently diversified its income sources, encompassing both commercial ventures and government contracts. As mentioned earlier, they've recently secured a $250 million contract, which we'll explore further in the subsequent article. Additionally, they've won contracts with PwC, and there's potential for them to secure a $579 million deal with the United Kingdom's NHS, National Health Service. The current landscape is teeming with positive developments for Palantir Technologies, creating a confluence of favorable circumstances. In conclusion, the ongoing conflicts between Russia and Ukraine, as well as Israel and Hamas, are contributing to the volatility of the United States stock market. If you're inclined to support Ukraine or Israel, investing in these government contractors is one way to do so, while potentially benefiting from the anticipated rise in their share prices. Moving forward, let's delve into the specifics of Palantir's contract with the United States military. This contract is geared towards supporting the combatant commands, armed services, intelligence community, and special forces as they continue to test, employ, and expand their capabilities in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. The contract is valued at up to $250 million over the next 3 years, concluding in December of 2026. The president of Palantir, USG, expressed their honor in expanding their partnership with the Army, emphasizing their commitment to delivering innovative technologies and advanced data applications across the armed services. This underscores the importance of adapting solutions to various contexts, a key factor in maintaining the nation's competitive edge. This strategic collaboration between Palantir and the United States military, as well as their allies, exemplifies the mutually beneficial nature of their partnership. This aligns with Palantir's overarching strategy to focus on government contracts, which has been a cornerstone of their operation since the company's inception over 2 decades ago. Please note that while I'm providing detailed information, it's important to exercise caution when considering investments, especially in potentially volatile markets. Always conduct thorough research and consider seeking professional financial advice. The contract with the U.S. Army is valued at up to $250 million and spans 3 years until December 2026. The president of Palantir, USG, expressed their honor in expanding their partnership with the Army to deliver cutting-edge technologies and advanced data applications across the armed services. They emphasized the importance of developing innovative solutions for various contexts to maintain the nation's competitive edge. This underscores Palantir's commitment to doing business with the United States and its allies. Regarding personal investments, it's advised not to allocate more than 5% of an initial portfolio into any single risky growth company, like Palantir. Dollar cost averaging over time can help lower the average cost basis, enhancing long-term buying opportunities. Additionally, the speaker plans to provide updates on their personal portfolio's performance in the coming year. The analyst who accurately predicted Palantir's recent drop has over 50 years of experience. It's emphasized that while short-term stock price movements are difficult to predict consistently, long-term predictions based on data, evidence, and historical ratios are more reliable. The analyst recently updated their analysis with a new stock price target. Palantir Technologies, a big data and analytics company focused on machine learning and artificial intelligence, is operating in an environment where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries. The demand for their artificial intelligence platform, AIP, is exceptionally high, with discussions underway to deploy it in over 300 additional enterprises. This surge in demand positions Palantir for continued success, as they're poised to secure even more contracts, further boosting investor and Wall Street confidence. Renowned analyst Daniel Ives, known for his accuracy, has set a $25 price target for Palantir Technologies over the next year. This reflects the belief in the company's potential to secure additional contracts and capitalize on the growing demand for artificial intelligence solutions. The analyst's outlook on Palantir is optimistic, expecting a continued influx of contracts. Additionally, Palantir is projected to report impressive Q3 revenues of around $555 million, marking an 18% increase from the previous year. The full-year revenue forecast is approximately $2.2 billion, a 16% rise from last year, and an even more substantial increase to an anticipated $2.63 billion for 2024, reflecting a 19% compound annual growth rate, CAGR, up from a previous 16% CAGR. Transitioning to the technical analyst perspective, they note Palantir's stock performance. Despite a sharp decline in August, the stock rebounded in September and experienced an upward breakout in October. The on-balance volume, OBV, indicates strong buying activity, suggesting an overall bullish sentiment. Furthermore, the moving average convergence divergence, MACD oscillator crossing above the zero line, is interpreted as a buy signal. The analyst's assessment of the weekly Japanese candlestick chart is mixed. Although the stock has recently turned upwards, the trading volume hasn't increased significantly with the price rise, which may concern experienced chart readers. The analyst believes that a breakout above $20 with robust volume is needed to signal a substantial upward movement. The analyst's caution regarding Palantir until it surpasses $20 may seem redundant, as it aligns with common investment wisdom. It's typically advisable to enter a position before a significant surge, rather than after. This sentiment is echoed in the mention of the potential NHS contract, possibly propelling the stock to $20. Overall, the update paints a positive outlook for Palantir investors and shareholders, with anticipation for the company's future performance. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Happy investing.